The 9-inch CarPlay screen with dashcam offers a seamless integration of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, enhancing your driving experience by providing hands-free access to navigation, calls, and music through voice control. Equipped with a 5K dashcam and a 1080-pixel backup camera, this car stereo ensures clear visibility and parking assistance, offering smooth driving and comprehensive journey recording with dual-screen loop recording. The 9-inch high-definition touchscreen provides real-time GPS navigation with precise, voice-guided directions, keeping you informed with real-time location updates and route suggestions using popular mapping apps. With its wireless mirror link feature, this portable CarPlay screen supports both iOS and Android phone mirroring, also offering various audio output options including Bluetooth, local speakers, FM radio, and aux for superior audio quality. Installation is straightforward with an extendable suction cup bracket and a self-adhesive bracket, allowing secure attachment to your dashboard or windshield and easy detachment and reinstallation. Simply plug the device into your car's cigarette lighter socket to instantly enjoy a more advanced and convenient driving experience with this feature-packed car stereo system.